Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If BenefitPay is not available in Google Play Store, and you can see only Benefit Merchant app, don't worry, this video will show you the working fix. When you search BenefitPay in Play Store, the user app is not showing, but Benefit Merchant app is available. If you install Benefit Merchant, it will ask for a merchant activation code, because this app is only for shops and businesses, not for normal users. So this app is not useful for personal BenefitPay use. Now, simply uninstall Benefit Merchant app, because we don't need it. Now let's check the Play Store country. Open Google Play Store. Tap on Profile icon. Scroll down and open Settings. Go to General and Account and Device Preferences. Here you can see your country or region. In my case, my mobile Play Store country is India, but BenefitPay is available only in Bahrain. That's why BenefitPay is not showing. This is a Google account region issue, not a phone problem. If your Google account country is not Bahrain, BenefitPay user app will be hidden. Now I will show the working solution. Temporarily add a new Google account on your mobile. After adding the new account, switch to the new Google account. Search BenefitPay. Now you can see BenefitPay user app available. Install it normally. After installing BenefitPay, you can remove the temporary Google account if you want, and continue using the app without any issue. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful fixes.